Do you want to explore ServiceNow and you don't know how you can get free versions without making any payments, without adding any credit card informations? Then you are at right place. In this video, I will show you how you will get free ServiceNow instance or without paying a single penny. Hey everyone, myself Deepak Rai, and I always create technology video on different technical topics like IPTV, project management, Jira, Rally, software testing, and upcoming or trending tools and technologies. If you are visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe button. Coming back to the topic, how you'll get free instance of ServiceNow. You have to simply navigate it to developer.servicenow.com. Don't worry, I will include the URL in description tab. Here, you have to simply click on it and click on accept and proceed for cookies content. Click on sign in, and once you'll sign in, it will navigate it to the portal where you can create your IDs. I will add my email ID for now and click on next. I have to enter my password. So if you have not registered yet, you have to register first and then you'll jump into this page. Post entering the credentials, you will be navigating it to request instance. So whenever you'll jump into this page, make sure to click on request instance. Whenever you'll click on this, you'll get which releases you want and the locations. So based on your preference, you can select which regions you wanted to create this instance. Because it's absolutely free of cost, that's the reason it will keep changing these locations. According to your preferences, click on request. It will take some time to fulfill your request, and after that, you will be able to see one email triggered on your registered email ID. This will give you a detail about your username, password, and the instance ID. So we have to just wait for it. Once this requirement will be fulfilled, you will be navigated into the portal where you have the accounts. Once your account will be activated, you will see this type of email will be triggered where you will have name, service URL, username, and password. But make sure to start using your credentials. Otherwise, what happened after 14 days of inactivities, ServiceNow start allocating same instance to someone else who is in need. It's always prefer to keep using your instance, otherwise they will start allocating to other users who are searching for it. So that's the important part you have to keep in mind. And when you are accessing the free versions, this is for learning and upgrading our skill sets. This cannot be used for your enterprise project. Only you as a developer will be able to access this instance. But if you wanted to utilize the full or premium versions of ServiceNow, definitely you have to pay and use it. Because after 14 days, if your instance was not used properly, they will start allocating this instance to someone else. That's how it works. Or make sure to not to store any confidential information in ServiceNow free instances. It might impact you. Normally, when you will request, you will get this type of instance upgraded, and once your instance is available, you have to start loading it. For first time loading, it might take sometimes to get your instance ready for you, but after that you have to use the same credentials which is allocated to you and you can use it. So that's how we are getting ServiceNow free instances where you can see all the services which is required for learning and developments, you will have everything available like creations of access analyzer, benchmarks, diagnostics, dynamic schema, everything. Even ITSM concepts is also readily available where you can use different services for your use. So that's how you can create free instance. You will be the administrator of your instance and you can do whatever you want. In terms of workspaces, you'll also see CMDB workspace, process mining workspace, request app workspace, everything is listed here. Use it wisely, and whenever you wanted to learn more about ServiceNow, feel free to refer my entire ServiceNow playlist. It will help you to get detailed understanding about ServiceNow. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be helpful. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and bell icon. And always reach out to me with your comments, questions, and suggestions by using comment sections or by using my email ID. That's all for today. We'll see you in next video.